Okay, small businesses, you might not like to hear this, but a lot of you are missing out on huge tax saving opportunities. Why? Because the world of tax rules and regulations are like a giant puzzle, or like the Temple of Doom. And while Uncle Sam sits back and laughs, we find ourselves year after year losing out on strategic opportunities to save money. Until now.
Tell me more.
Today, I'm unlocking the secrets to saving big on taxes, and it all starts with one key move: benchmarking your accountant.
What?
Benchmarking your accountant is like giving your business a financial health checkup. Think of benchmarking like an annual car service. It's crucial to ensure your business is running smoothly and efficiently. You have to do it every year. Here's what's devastating. Most small business owners haven't benchmarked their accountant at all. And that's because we actually don't know the right questions to ask. But this ultimately leads us to consistently paying the highest average tax rate in the US. But I got you. Here are 6 key questions to ask your accountant each year. These will help you figure out if they really look out for you and your financial future, or they're just living in the past. Number 1, when my accountant says this year's taxes, are they talking about the previous calendar year? You see, it's crucial to ask for clarity on what tax year your accountant is referring to, as this ensures both are discussing the same period. Miscommunication about tax year could lead to errors in tax preparation and filing. Number 2, does my accountant fully understand my business in order to represent the info on my return correctly and help ensure I'm paying the least amount of taxes legally required? Proper representation of your business tax returns ensure you're paying the least amount of tax legally required and helps in making informed financial decisions. Accurate accounting is critical for evaluating business performance, ensuring statutory compliance, creating budgets and projections, and filing financial statements. Number 3, does my accountant keep me up to date on the yearly tax code changes, and do they show me how to use those changes to my advantage? You see, it's important to ask if your accountant keeps up to date with the tax code changes and how they can use those changes to your advantage. The tax landscape is consistently evolving, and staying informed about these changes can lead to significant tax savings and compliance with legal requirements. Number 4, does my accountant limit my risks with the IRS? Specifically, do they do things like make protective elections on my return? Do they document my reasonable salary? Inquiring about how your accountant limits your risk with the IRS ensures they are taking necessary steps to protecting you, such as making protective elections and documenting your salary appropriately. This can prevent potential issues with the IRS and ensure you're meeting all legal obligations. Number 5, does my accountant show me how to turn things that aren't a deduction into a deduction? Asking your accountant how to turn non-deductible expenses into deductions can uncover opportunities for tax savings. Accountants with strategic insight can advise on legal ways to maximize deductions. And number 6, does my accountant teach me legal home run strategies based on tax court cases and IRS audit manuals to help reduce my taxes by up to 100%? Yes, zero tax liability. Understanding if your accountant can teach you strategies based on tax court cases and IRS audit manuals to reduce taxes is crucial for minimizing your tax liability. A knowledgeable accountant can offer advanced tax planning strategies to legally lower your taxes. Remember, a good accountant doesn't just look back, they plan ahead. So, take charge, benchmark your accountant, and align with ones who forward think. Think of them as your financial architect, crafting strategy that aligns with your business goals. And if you're looking for a solid CPA firm or want to rig the game, head over to the Rigging the Game YouTube channel, where Dan Nicholson not only has the keys to success, but will steer you in the right direction. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe to this channel for more business insights. And for all things certain, this is CertaintyNews.com.